In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play The Sims 4 Steam. First, open the Steam app on your computer. In the top right search bar, type The Sims 4. You're looking for the official store page published by Electronic Arts. The Sims 4 on Steam offers the full base game for free, and you can optionally add expansions later if you want more worlds, items, and gameplay systems. This means you can start playing without spending anything upfront. On the store page, add the game to your library if it isn't there already, then click Install. Choose the drive where you want it saved, confirm, and let Steam handle the download. The time it takes will depend on your internet speed, and you can keep an eye on the progress in your downloads. When it's finished, head to your library, select The Sims 4, and click Play. On your first launch, you'll be prompted to link your Steam account to an EA account. This is required to access full features, save your progress to EA services, and recognize any expansions you might add later. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign in or create an account. It's a one-time setup. After linking, Steam will open the EA launcher, which may update itself briefly, and then The Sims 4 will start. Once you're at the home screen, you'll see a few ways to jump in. Choose New Game to start fresh and create your Sims. This takes you to Create a Sim, where you can customize appearance, traits, and aspirations before moving into a home and starting your story. If you want a guided experience, select Play Scenarios. Scenarios set up themed challenges with specific goals, like building relationships or managing a household under certain conditions. They're great for learning the ropes while having a clear objective. If you're feeling inspired by the community, open the gallery. The gallery lets you browse and download player-made Sims, houses, and rooms directly into your game, so you can populate your world with great builds without starting from scratch. It's an easy way to kickstart your save with high-quality content. Remember, the base game is free to play, and you can add expansions, game packs, or kits from the Steam store whenever you're ready. They'll integrate automatically with your game after purchase and download. If you're new, the base game offers plenty to explore: building, careers, relationships, and life milestones. That's all you need to get up and running. Thanks for watching.